our workshop safety tips. My name is Cautionary Carl.
And I'm PPEP.
Come along with us as we show you some tips to stay safe in the workshop. Let's get going. It is important if you're going to be doing work stuff in your home workshop to use the proper PPE. Here we have an array of PPE, such as welding helmets and face guards for when you're welding or grinding things.
Be sure to use the right gloves for the job, such as welding gloves, general purpose, and mechanic.
It's also important to use hearing protection. Here we have earmuffs.
Always use eye protection when there is a risk of flying bits going into your eyes.
There's also other specialty equipment, such as welding jackets when you're welding, or chainsaw chaps when you're chainsawing. But I don't have those.
And for you old folks, a knee pad, so you don't hurt your knees. When operating a saw, like this one, never put your fingers near a spinning blade.
Nail guns are great at doing what? Driving nails. That's right, folks. Now, it's important when using a nail gun to pay attention to what you're nailing to. Don't get distracted by anything over there. What is that thing over there?
When operating pneumatic tools, it is essential to always pay attention to where you're pointing.
Router tables. It's imperative that you always follow the direction of feed and keep your hand away from any spinning blades. The number one overall safety tip is keep your fingers
out of moving tools.
Well, that's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage.